Holy cow, who do we have here today?
Luke
and
TJ.
What are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong, huh?
It is.
Always blaming the other guy when you can, right? So any last words, final comments, or confessions before we go?
I love my mom, so
that's it?
Yeah,
just love for the mom. Mom, this is your fault if we don't make it. For me,
it kind of is.
it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, guys. Have some fun. Good job. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Here you go, dude. Let's get in this thing. We'll have some fun in the sky.
Yeah, my legs just hurt. My legs just hurt.
Pull the left one down. All the way down. All the way down. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hands up. All right, here comes your boy. What do you think of that?
That was an experience.
And we got the gift wrap. You have fun?
Yeah, I did.
You did great. Next time I'll let you open the parachute, okay?
Okay.
Good skydive, man.
Right,
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here, bud.